Alright, we're going to check our right hand intake. What size are you using?
005. Yeah, that's good.
Really? Is it easy? Should be a 6, so try the 6. Give it a good push in there.
Oh yeah, 6 just, yep.
Yeah, an inlet, that's good for an inlet. Nice. Alright, try the left. The left's the one we think has failed.
Hang on a second, I just lost the gauge.
And try a 6 or a 5. Better to try the 5. Should go in easy. Nothing?
Nothing at all.
Right. So, looks like that's the one that's gone. Just a quick check of the exhaust. Use a 11, 011.
That's nice and tight, eh?
Nice.
Yeah, that's good.
Just to confirm what we think's happened. Going by the consensus, everyone seems to think the left-hand intake, which it seems is the case.
That feels good too.
Excellent. So just the left-hand intake. We'll have a new head, thanks.
Yeah. Racing media. Racing.